Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today, I'm excited to take you guys with me as we do a walk around and a test drive on a 52,000 original mile Olds 88. Very original and high quality car. It's powered by its original big block 394. It's got power steering, power brakes.
Man, it runs smooth.
And factory air conditioning. I love this car a lot. I mean, if you're looking for a car you can take to shows, be really proud of, beautiful interior, runs and drives great for under 30 grand, I mean, this thing is it. I mean, these cars just haven't quite came up like the rest of the muscle cars have. And that's why you can still get a hell of a nice car under 30 grand in something like this.
No, I've never seen an Oldsmobile Dynamic before.
They're cool. I mean, back in the day, so GM kind of had the market cornered on all these cars. So let's say you're entry level in the job, you're a salesman, right? You drive a 64 Impala. When you get that sales manager job, you go out and you buy an Olds 88. And when you own the dealership, then you get the Cadillac. You know, so GM kind of had it through the lines as you progressed and you kept buying an upgraded car. But this is definitely high class back in the day. I mean, your sales managers, your business managers, they would drive something like this. And kind of unique too with that factory big block.
Yeah.
Check out this original interior here, right? It's got a really nice blue black insert interior. I love the steering wheels on these Oldsmobiles.
I love that black.
Yeah, isn't that pretty? Yeah, all original interior, and it's in really nice shape.
Dash looks really nice as well.
And I love the styling on these 64s. I mean, they're much like an Impala, same roofline as an Impala, but I like these little fins on the front and rear. Great chrome. Now the bumpers, grille, all that is original, like most of the car. The front bumper's got a good shine, but you can see, I mean, there's some small little scuffs. I mean, nothing that, you know, I would replace, but it is showing its originality a bit. The grille is original, but overall in good shape. It still has the T3 headlights, the correct headlights. Your hood lines up well. You do have a scuff here on this front bumper. I missed right there. Dynamic 88. Hood lines up well. You have a little scuff right there. But original glass still in the car, and it's really clean. The side windows are really clean. The windshield's real nice.
American Racing tires.
Yeah, American Racing torque thrust wheels, and I like the combination with that white wall tire. Really a classy look. Your door handles and your body side chrome have a fantastic shine. Really kept in nice condition. Now the door jamb paint is the one thing where, like, if you wanted to improve the car, you could always have somebody shoot the jambs again, because you have either an old repaint in the jambs or it looks to me like original paint in the jambs. Original door rubber, but it's still pliable. Door panel has just a little bit of wear on the bottom where those screw holes go into, but the rest of the door panel's in good shape. Your armrest base has just a little bit of wear, but it's kind of remarkable for the age, just how nice that original interior is. Seats are line up nice. Still have your factory seat belts in it too.
That's neat.
Yeah, pretty cool. The dash is gorgeous.
Headliner's good.
And when we drive this thing here in a few minutes, I'm excited to show you the original AM radio works, your air works. Back package tray is still the original, and that's in good shape. I mean, a small amount of fade, but overall, real nice. Body is real nice and straight and up and down the sides. And you can check out the undercarriage pictures on the site, coyoteclassics.com. If you go to the comment section of this video, I'll have a link that'll take you directly to those pictures. Impressive undercarriage. I mean, really, really nice, clean, original. This car came out of a collection in southern Iowa. The guy had a lot of real nice original stuff. Bumper here, it's got a little scuff on it. I know when we went through it in the shop, we did wheel cylinders and some suspension stuff. Just got her the service that it needed, but it runs and drives beautifully. Trunk jam looks good. You got your spare tire and jack all in the correct spot. Your trunk is really nice and solid. Still has the little cardboard cover here. But overall, real nice. This is pretty cool too. Little burlap. Back bumper's got a scuff, but it still shines well. Gaps are great. Have some rock chips down here below the body line on this driver's door. Really cool car. I mean, if you want a car you can take to car shows, drive, and enjoy, like this is something I would buy because I can afford it and it's really nice, you know?
Exactly. You really don't see many original cars that are in this nice a condition.
I like it a lot, and these drive good too. We'll do that. We'll take it for a spin now, right? These cars, when you look at the suspension and how they were built, you know, they're just a really sturdy, comfortable, great driving car. Look at that, factory radio, dynamic 88 on the dash. These steering wheels are so neat. Horn works.
What an interesting shifter too. That's really unique.
Isn't that cool? Yeah. They're neat. You just don't see these all that much. Starts and runs beautifully. The gas gauge works. We just did the horn.
The horn does work, yeah. It's just finicky.
Yeah, the horn works. I just wasn't pressing it in the right spot. Wipers work well. We got new blades on them.
Original radio works.
Sounds good too. Air works, blows nice and cold.
Oh yeah.
These are cool.
And they just ride so smoothly. I was so impressed when I first took it for a ride off the trailer. It just drove really smooth.
Yeah, they do. Like I mentioned to start the video, you know, these were your luxury cars, you know, on GM's line. I mean, these and the Cadillacs were what you'd buy when you're a big boy, wanted a nice luxury car. And that big block, man, it's got all kinds of performance, runs and drives beautiful.
Roll up my back window.
And now the speedometer is the only thing that's not working on this. With these Oldsmobiles, they're kind of a unique speedometer operation, really. There's a cable that runs to your front wheel, and it gauges it off of that versus the transmission like a lot of the other cars do. So it's kind of a unique thing to find parts for. So the speedometer's not working right now, but all your other gauges, lights, and wipers do. It goes down the road awesome. Really comfortable, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's insanely comfortable.
Drives perfect. Front end's nice and tight, no shakes or vibrations. Your kick down works, the engine's tuned in beautifully. I like it an awful lot.
It's awesome.
You got here, still have your mirror on there. That's pretty cool, huh?
That is.
Oh, so you can put your oil change stickers, you can put your dates where you've been serviced. That is neat. Really cool. Here's your brakes, they stop awesome. I know Riley did some brake work on it. Power steering works well. The steering wheel is overall in really nice shape too. You have one small mark on the steering wheel. Got lots to get up.
Chapter 9. Now,
This thing's just awesome. I love it. So will the next owner. If you're interested, check it out in more detail on our website, coyoteclassics.com, and give us a call. I mean, this thing should not be sitting around on the lot long. You just don't find them.
No.
You don't find these cars, and then you don't find them like this with 52,000 original miles. Runs and drives beautifully, cold air, just ready to go. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.